What's up guys, Corvette back at you with another video. So today we're just gonna go hang with the boys, drive around, take some pictures, just hang out, you know. But just something to do. But hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. There's a lot of ice, snow still up here. Wow.
I'm surprised we all still got here at the same time.
I know, I was like, what?
I called Brady. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna go out and take the...
It's still hard as heck.
There's still icicles on the
Yeah, I saw that. I'm cold, guys.
I guess we'll find out. I mean, it is pretty good in wind.
You're gonna use the drone.
I don't know.
I get to do anything fine. I have no clue. I know how to fuel pump from That's why I was driving Thursday at night.
Working.
Huh?
The pretty stable on the camera.
I was like, I don't want to drive in there. It was fucking I was really slightly just at night. During the day, I was fine. Like, I mean, I would get some real shit, but all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, all-wheel drive is fucking cool.
Are you afraid of heights? There's a lot of ice up here, guys. There's still a ton up on this parking garage. There's the other dudes. We get a nice tall view of the A&M campus. My house is that way. Look at all this snow. Whoa, look at the view. Sorry about the wind noise. Alright guys, we're just here enjoying a nice day today. Just, you know, kind of driving around, taking some pictures, just hanging out, you know, that type of thing. So, hope y'all enjoy the video. It's exactly like mine. Got some footage?
Yeah.
Okay guys, it looks like it's just about time to head on out. So, what we'll do is go. Alright guys, we are home from today's shenanigans and we're gonna relax the rest of the day and enjoy our time. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the little video I made today. Just, you know, something to do on a Saturday at noon, you know, just hanging with the boys, driving around, taking some shots, fooling around. So, until the next video, guys, hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, peace.